2019 Malibu 21 MLX, used exclusively in Wisconsin. Tandem axle trailer, G 3.5 tower with swivel board racks and bimini. Surf gate, power wedge 3 with surf pipe, slimline LED taillights with steps, pickle fork design, spare tire, swing away tongue with surge brakes. Starting at the helm, we've got Malibu touch control. Malibu allows you to set up your wave for your surf gate, for your power wedge, your ballast. You can see there's depth finder, 111.8 hours, speed control. Malibu touch control is your lighting, your blower, stereo system. It's all Bluetooth. There's your 4-way joystick, which is surf gate, as well as power wedge, and your speed control and stereo control. Subwoofer, outlet for the heater, battery switch, 14-person capacity. Up into the front, you've got your walk-through windshield with windscreen. Nice, deep pickle fork design with USB ports in that corner. Your bow ballast are underneath there. Rolling to the back of the boat, you've got your installed soft grip flooring, storage, amplifiers for the tower speakers and the subwoofer, G 3.5 tower with spinning board racks, Wet Sounds Icon 8 speakers, flip bimini, towards the back of the boat, you have your arena style seating, seats underneath, or storage underneath those seats on both sides, plenty of cup holders. Your rear compartment, you've got hard tanks underneath the supplemental ballast that attach via plug and play for both sides, so you have plenty of ballast. You've got your warming tray with surf lines and wakeboard lines. And the Inmar Monsoon 409 engine. Plenty of power for a boat full of people and all day of water sports.